that in historic decision we have decided to chase the red car, and they'll all chase the red car. They'll bark, everybody will be asked, oh come on, you start barking now. Yes, everybody will start barking. They'll reach in the car like demonetization. Now they don't know. They did the demonetization, but after that they did not know what to do. They had no clue. They did the GST, white car. They reached, then they don't know what to do. Kashmir, another black car. They ran in historic decision. We decided to run after the black car. They did. We can do 370. We did. Now it's been 5 or 6 months. Now they don't know what. They are looking here and there. NRC. What is it going to do? If they are going to do all this, what is going to happen? The most funny thing was, they say it's going to help some people. So, somebody asked one of the MHA officials, that, but these people, they are unable to prove they are Indians. How will they prove they came from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, etc.? So the official says, that is a concern we have not thought about. You know, they made an act. All entire countries out on the streets, and their entire rationale is to help few people. And the question is, how will they help them? For that we have not thought about. Imagine. It's a crazy combination of hatred, fascism, and dumbness together. This is every single thing that the government does. And many of you feel that there is no point in protesting. How many of you feel there is no point in protesting? How many of you think there is a point in protesting? We are good. Do you think there has been any success because of the protest? Yes. What is success? Huh? Unity. Unity. Huh? Now they are realizing they are down. Yeah. At least be realizing. That much, I don't think it's very difficult for down people to realize they are down.
And they want to adhere to it and all that.
See, why people say, people are like, there is no point, I'm going there, and like 1 month of protest, already people feel like, 1 month of protest is like an eternity. Because we have sort of never been part of anything like this. There were 3 years of protest in emergency, during emergency period. It is not 1 month. People came out and protested from post office to the Prime Minister's office. People did continuously. And because they knew that irrespective of what the temporary setback is, certain things we will not allow in this country, and that is how we brought back this country.
हम लोग नहीं मानते फिर से करेंगे। तो मेरा ये बोलना ये है कि मैं 10 साल से यहाँ पे हूँ, तो मैंने आने जाने में एनआरसी के डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्लियर करने में मैंने लाखों रुपए फूंक दिया, 1,05,000 रुपये। तो फिर से अभी हो गया एनआरसी, तो मुझे फिर से वही काम करने पड़ेंगे। तो ऐसे मैं ही नहीं